Hey everyone, it's SassySundays and welcome back to another game. Today we are playing the legendary Slime Rancher. I'm actually obsessed with this game. I play this all the time on my free time, which I don't have much of, but I like the philosophy. That's the philosophy. Okay, let's see if I can name these off. This is just the pink guy. I forgot its name. Tabby Rock, Blue Rock guy, Philosophy, Radioactive, Lava. I haven't met that guy. That's called the Water Slime. Haven't met that guy. I almost caught him once. Carrots. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, well, I haven't actually ran into a lot of these before, so let's just get into it. Okay. I'm obsessed with this game. I played it a lot, but I don't know any of the story. I mean, I never read it before. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on the planet known as the Far Far Range, Beatrix LeBrew begins her first day as a slime rancher. Okay, was shift is to run, spacebar to jump. Yeah, let's go. Okay. The coral-crested ocean floor is now the bask under the golden sun. Boop, boop, boop. See? Do, do, do. Boop. Okay, first things first. I don't think there's... Why is it just carrots lying around? Okay, anyways, story. What's this? Tasty food require food like veggies. Fruits, veggies, or chickens are used to feed slimes. Try shooting food at a pink slime and they'll eat something. Okay. Yeah, I know. This is to do like quests, which I never done. Anyway, let's just go into it, I'm guessing. Hello Beatrice, my name is Hobson Trillagers, rancher explorer and the former owner of this here ranch you now call your own. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was a rancher for many years and I can remember and felt there was one last adventure left in me, so I set off to find just that. But before I go, I'm taking one last tour around this here land I love. So keep your papers peeled for notes like these if you want to hear about an old coot has to say every now and again. Be talking to ya H. Okay. Boop boop. Eh. Okay, come on, carrot. There we go. So it's good to keep food on you because some of the slimes go feral. Thank you. And the only way to make them go less feral is giving them food, which I'm gonna do. Okay, so first, I usually start off with getting a philosophy slime because they just give you more money. But yet again, it's like a balanced economy here. I don't want you. There we go. Okay. Let's go. But I guess today I just start with the rock ones and feed it. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Press E to activate. And look how big this place is. I only got into this area. I have not unlocked anything else, so press M to access. Okay. I'll show you the philosophy slimes. I think they're in this cave. Ow. Here, I'll show you what I mean when... Okay. Ooh. These guys are evil, I'm telling ya. Oh god. They do not like visitors, I'm telling ya. You can die in this game, which I have a couple times. Okay, take that. Okay, so I have 3 rocks. Okay, so I need to work on, because the rock and the philosopher, or the philosopher port gives you a lot of money, but it's just they are allergic to the sunlight basically, and so they will disappear. So I have to find a way to make money and fast. 3. Okay, let's start making some moolah. Also, there's like these big ones where you could get keys. I don't know, this game, I just love this game so much. Did I read that already? Yes, I did. Okay. Okay, I need at least, are you, okay. Okay, let's see, because Tabby's is like a cat-like slime. Here, I'll show you guys around real fast. Oh yeah, like that guy down there. You could feed it and it will give you like a key to unlock a certain area. I haven't really seen much of this world. One, because I get lost easily because I'm an idiot. Oh yeah, see this is what happens if like you feed this kind of stuff to one that isn't of that. Okay, I have a message actually. I have to go grab that, but first I want to go over here. I had a great big tree like this here along the edge of my property back on Earth. It had been there before anyone could remember. It survived all kinds of change around it, and then one day I began to notice it was dying. Wasn't anything unnatural, was just its time, I suppose. And when I realized that if I didn't do something, I'll end up like that tree. I spent my whole life in the same place. I wasn't going to let that happen, so I bought a ticket for the far, far range the very next day. H. Yeah. So, he's... Oh, I forgot about those. There's some over here too, like this guy, the big Tabby Gordo. He eats meat. I just need more money. I'm all about that money. Okay, I don't want to be demonetized. And then there's really nothing here. Like I was talking about, like the keys. Like you can unlock certain keys for like that door over there. And yeah. Okay, so I need more money. Okay, let me go. Oh, this running thing. My character needs to lose weight because they cannot run for long distances. And chickens, you can raise chickens, you can... Yeah. There we go. Okay, let's see how much this stuff gives me for. It's probably not going to give me a lot because I need at least 600 to buy what I need to. Ooh, I want that. Take that. Take all that. Oh, shoot. Okay, gimme. Okay, let's go do this. Ooh. Oh, I can't carry anymore. Okay, let's go back to the base so we could see how much money this gives me. Because I want to get higher walls. When slimes eat, they make ports. Head on over to the port. Okay. Boop. Okay, let's do this. Oh, that's close. Okay, let's see what I can buy with that. Because I need high walls. Purchase. And then I need the solar. So I need it. Let's go. This is actually a really slow paced game. Oh, wait, hold on. I have a message. Let me go read that first. Okay. E. Star Mail. Casey. Hey, B. What is it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you dream? I can't imagine what that's like. Z put you in a pod and then lights out for all time. Wow. What's the far range like? Have you started exploring? Is the air as clean as they say? I bet it's really beautiful. I'm probably asking too many questions. I bet you have a lot of work to do on that ranch. I still can't believe it's yours now. I guess I better leave you to it and just keep it short. Good luck, B. If anyone can make it, it's you. And then the 7Z. Hey, LeBrew. The 7Z Corporation would like to welcome you to the Far Range. Welcome to extend our support in your brand new venture as a slime rancher. Support extended. We will also like you to request that you exercise caution in the first few days on the ranch until you get more familiar with your surroundings. Traveling at night is not advisable. Lastly, you should require any additional tools for your backpack or items to make your slime ranching experience easier. The 7Z Corporation would be pleased to provide them to you for the shop located just outside your ranch. Blah blah blah. The Z Corporation providing the tools you need to get the job done for us for a small fee. Yeah. Return to ranch. Yeah, that's okay. It's not that scary. It's not that bad, to be honest. Traveling at night, no big problem. No, I don't want you. Okay. Okay, let's go. I can play this for hours and not even get bored. Because there's so much to do. You have so much work you have to do. And yet, it's not exhausting work. Let's see if I could go grab another thing. I mean, I wouldn't... I don't know. Can I have that? Please and thank you. Ow. These guys are so mean. They just like roll into you and like just knock you out. I've died in this game before. It's not fun. You lose a lot when you die. So you would expect that. I want that. No, I don't want that. I want this. No. You know what? You have fun. Okay, let's go back to the base. I should have enough to buy the solar shield. So let's get this over with. Come on. Okay. 1 second. Okay. I'm gonna make these episodes like 30 minutes long because this is a lot to do and it's a lot of running. Yes, I know a vacuum is slime. Okay. Like you could make food, you could have like a hen house. It's fun. Okay, so it's like 400 something. Damn it. 425. Let's keep going. Cause these two together make like the best, like the best money. To be honest, it really does. It's a lot of work just to get it started, but my philosophy. I love these guys. They're so cute. Okay. Also, when a slime, like a large one, eats like another one's a different type of port. If that makes any sense. Like, let's say, okay, let's say that one eats blue rock port. Then they become this tar creature, and the tar creature is like they eat other slimes and they possess them basically, and it's just not fun. But yeah. Okay, that should be enough, right guys? Okay, let's go. This game is beautiful. It's so simple, yet it's so pretty. By the way, they don't want us traveling at night because it's easy to get lost in this game. I know I vacuumed the slime. Let me be. Yeah, okay. Let's do this. Purchase. And then do 4. Boop, boop, boop. And then boop. Boop. And then boop. See? Okay, and they eat fruit and veggies. Let me go grab some fruit. Oh boy, I hear something. I hear like a tar. Okay. Oh, there was food up here, right? Because food gets rotten in this game. No. My food. My food. Aw, they ate my food. Because you want them well fed, so you get their money. Okay, let's do this. Oh wait, I saw some fruit over here. Okay. Okay, yeah, there's there's food over here, I know. See, oh wait, did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Okay, I'm losing my mind. Never mind. 3. I just want the moolah. I just want the moolah. Okay. Gimme. Okay. I got some fruit, so that should last them long enough. So I could start my own farm, because waiting for this stuff to grow takes forever. It's so pretty. Also, I have a flashlight, so. Okay, oh god. That's a tar. You can only kill them with water. But I haven't gotten the water thing yet. Where did he go? Heh. Let's go. Okay, I'm almost there. Okay, let's get them some. Let's go get them some food. Okay, let's do that. And now these are happy little guys. I just like throwing stuff around. That's just what I do best. These guys are really mean. Oh boy. Oh boy. No. You go in here. Where did that thing go? Did I pick it up? Okay. Let's go make some money. Bigger backpack would be nice. Let's do that, that, and that. Okay, let's do this. Water tank, it's not that important. This is pretty important, but I think right now I'm gonna make food. Yeah, let's make some food. Garden, purchase. Now, okay. Ooh, I know what I'm gonna make. Oh, no, it is, which way is it? It's this way. Okay. So I'm gonna get Q fruit, one, because that is one of the best fruits to have in this game. If I could find it, that is. Okay, I think it's over here, but I'm not sure. Let me see. Beep. Okay, so also chickens, you could see it just changed. Chickens feed the tabbies. Wait, oh wait, I know there's some over here. Yeah, there's some over here, I think. Let me go check real fast. Oh god. That's what I mean by feral. They will chase you and try and kill you. Okay, let's go. Come on. I've never made it past this guy. I've never opened up this guy yet, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go pick a fruit. Actually, there might be one over there, but let me go check. I mean, there's not much of a story in this game, but yet again, I'm not sure because I haven't read anything. Haha, that's what I wanted. Run! I need to run this way. Yeah. Okay. So after I put this fruit away, after I make it grow, I am gonna end the episode there. Come on. Because I think it's like past 30 minutes. I don't know. But this game is so fun. 30 minutes is like a day in this game. Come. Okay, come on. A little faster, please. Come on. Let's go. Come on. A little faster. I already fed them. See, look how happy those guys are. Let's do There we go. See? And then it grows like this kind of stuff. Yeah. So that's basically it. Okay, I'm gonna sleep and then I'm gonna save. Okay, let's do that. Sleep till morning. Okay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, please let me know if you want more episodes like this. I don't know if there's an ending. I think it's like just play as you go type of games. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.